Kilo Golf. Echo India 7 Kilo Golf. Echo India 7 Kilo Golf. Whiskey Tango.
Okay, let's go to QRZ and look up some of these calls.
Echo India 7 Kilo Golf. Kilo Golf.
Echo India 7 Kilo Golf. That's Italy, I think. Echo India
Kilo Golf.
7 Kilo Golf. I believe that's Italy. Yes, that is. No, that's Ireland. John G. Bradley in Ireland. And I just worked Mike 1 Yankee Alpha Mike in Scotland just a few minutes ago. And yes, using this Galaxy DX86 Victor to a stereo vertical in my backyard. And shout out to Michael Priest, one of the subscribers, and I'm going to try to make contact with him on Saturday using this radio. So it's running about 35 watts, and hopefully the conditions will be favorable between my place and his in Iowa. If not, we'll go to 40 meters, but I'll have to move to a different radio to do that. But this is my in my office radio, one of them anyway. I've got a few others in here. There's my 6-meter rig, for example. But I'm antenna limited in here. So, yeah, that's a Serio Italian-made vertical 10 and 11 meter antenna, up about, I think, 15 feet in my backyard. And if we have to go 40, I'll be using a wire antenna, and not a very good one, but 40 doesn't require a whole lot. But 10 meters, when it's open, you don't need much power at all, because 35 watts was sufficient to get me a 5.5 in Scotland. This has been a good radio. I've enjoyed using it. It's kind of like some of the old school modified CBs, modified export CBs as they're called, and that's exactly what this is. In fact, it's one of the few holdouts, because most of them are all computer controlled and everything now. But I like this. It doesn't offer some of the features of some of the other ones, but minimalism is good if it does the job. I enjoy operating stuff like this. And minimalist, straight up ham radios too, like that 6-meter antenna, radio I just showed you. That is very minimalist. That's a late 70s rig. But it still works. Still gets the job done. Let's tune around and see what we can find.
Who is Charlie Echo? Charlie United 7 Alpha Alpha 59. Thanks. Alpha Delta. FRCO. Thanks. Again.
I would like to point out that all U.S. hams have privileges on single sideband privileges on 10 meters. I think a lot of newer hams don't realize that.
Charlie Tango 1, Delta uniform. Okay, 5 obrigado.
Obrigada, senhora. Oscar Max 22 Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. Lima X-ray Delta. WSA 11-59. Good luck. Kilo Alpha 2 Delta 59.
Equal Marseille, Alpha.
Thank you. Yard Lady. Yes, V3 Ocean Lima Papa. Good morning, 59.
Charlie X1, 6 Delta.
Thank you. Good luck. Charlie X-ray 6 Delta Zulu 59.
6 Delta Zulu, 5-9.
Ciao, good luck. You want that?
Equal Marseille, Alpha, November Alpha.
K3 Echo Whiskey Zulu 59. Thanks. You want that?
Equal Marseille, Alpha, November Alpha.
K5 GTH 59. Thanks. Whiskey 1 Papa Radio 59. Yep. Thank you. Good luck. You want that?
Equal Marseille, Alpha, November Alpha.
KC Thompson, Sugar Radio 59. Thank you. Good luck. You want that?
Equal Marseille,
KC Alpha November Alpha. Good evening. 59.
Equal Marseille, Alpha, November Alpha, 5-9.
Thank you. You want that? Italy Kilo something. Tango Sierra Radio 59. Is IT to Tango Delta Radio 59.
Thank you, 7.
Ciao. You want that? V3 Mike Quebec 59.
Tango India, 4-4 Oscar Victor Loma.
Yeah, Victor Echo 3 Mike Quebec. Thank you. 59.
Tango India, 4
Thank you. Good luck. Mr. Mike 2 to Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. M5 DHP 59. Thank you. Oscar Mike 2 to Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. OFS Studio David, zdravím ťažko, 59. Ahoj, Suarbet.
Italy Zulu 4, Alpha Italy Florida. Italy Zulu 4, Alpha Italy Florida.
United for Ancona, Italia, Firenze. Buongiorno, 59.
Italia Zelanda 4, Alpha India Florida, 5-9 QFL.
QSL, thank you, QSL.
Tango India 4, Oscar Victor Loma.
For option also Zulu, thank you, 59. Thank you, QSL. QSL, Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie. Calling Sticky Ocean, Mexico 20 to Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie. This is Lima Echo Norway, thank you, 59.
Roger 59, good luck.
Good luck, Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey Radio, Tango Charlie.
Oscar, free Oscar.
Sugar Ocean 3 Ocean, 59.
Roger, K5
Thanks, you're set. K9 Gold, Hotel Papa, 59. Yes, call is Oscar Mexico 22 Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. Ocean Mexico 22 Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. 73, Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey, Radio Tango Charlie.
Sierra Papa 1, November Lima.
51 November Lima, 59.
59, good luck.
Good luck, Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey, Radio Tango Charlie.
Okay, I finally got that call sign.
904.
Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey Radio Tango
904,
Charlie,
59.
Slovak Republic,
904, Mexico, 59.
World Radio Team Championship.
904, Mexico, 59. Thank you, Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey, Radio Tango Charlie. Kilo X-ray 2, Sugar, 59.
Slovak Republic. Okay, I'm going to
Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey, Radio Tango Charlie.
end this video and see if I can make contact.
Andy Bravo.
Thanks for watching. Okay, just for a quick update, I did work this station. Oscar Mike 22, Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie, Slovak Republic.
Ocean Mexico 22, Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie. Ocean Mexico 2.